A piece of metal lying in the sun measures point. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to use intensity as power over area, right? We're also going to say that the area is just length times width. I always assume it's like it's got to be. It's not a rhomboid piece of metal, right? Those are so rare, you know. Let's see what else. Okay, so let's see. If it is absorbing 416 watts per square meter, what must be the intensity of the light? Ooh, this is tricky. Okay. So let's figure this out, right? We know that the amount absorbed, the intensity absorbed, okay, is going to be the intensity of the sun times 1 minus the albedo. All right. Intensity absorbed is going to be the intensity of the sun times 1 minus, because remember, albedo is how much is reflected. So to get the amount absorbed, you have to go 1 minus that, right? Okay, so if we know this is 416, then there's some intensity there times 1 minus 0.68. All right. So the intensity of the sun must be 416 divided by left parenthesis 1 minus 0.68 right parenthesis. And that's just 1300. That's 1300 watts per square meter. All right. Okay, what amount of energy will it absorb in 1 minute? It will not be a minute amount of energy, I tell you, right? Okay. So the power is going to be intensity times area. And this will be the intensity absorbed, which is this, right? So 416 watts per square meter. And what's our area? 0.68 meters times 1 point, whoops, not 1 point anything, 0.543 meters. That's not anything. Don't pay any attention to that. Okay, 416 times. I know some of you are obsessing on that. Don't. 0.5. Whoops. Okay. So the rate at which we're absorbing energy is 153.6 joules per second. That's what a watt is, right? And so therefore, power is energy over time. So therefore, energy is power times time, which makes sense, right? So we're going to go 153.60384 joules per second, and a minute is 60 seconds. So I'm going to take the number on my calculator, multiply by 60, and I get 9216.23 joules, right, which is 9.216 kilojoules, which is 9.22 kilojoules, which is the answer we have there.